All right, so this one Maddie's bringing out is called Jaws. All right, the Jaws. This was supposedly the crowd favorite last year. I didn't get to see it. Whoa! Those are big and loud. Jesus. Yeah, buddy. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Very cool. Happy 4th of July, everybody. From the Chicago fam in Michigan City.
Yeah, you never see.
Oh, that was cool.
You might get one or two displays here and there, but you got in every corner.
Oh, I just had a June bug or something land on me. Wow. That is so cool. Thank you, Maddie. That was awesome. That was definitely the main event. Maddie came through in the clutch. Oh yeah, Blue Chip is blowing off a bunch of fireworks too. Wow. They are literally in every direction. This is great. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's got to be the grand finale, guys. Wow. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. That's what I'm talking about. Blow it all up. That should be it. Yay! Happy birthday, America, United States. Happy birthday. Everybody, I hope everybody's safe tonight. Get home safe.